Hey there, everybody. Tom Split of Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, October 2nd, and we're going to take a look really quick at gold here, and specifically one of the setups from the trading room today that worked out really well, and that was a breakout long in gold. Now, just like we've been talking about recently, with smaller time frames leading into larger time frames. The larger time frame we were looking at here was the 120-minute price chart. We had this ascending wedge here, and we had nice strengthening momentum. So our 120s were bullish. Now, if you looked at the 30s were actually weakening. But the trigger, so we were bullish on 120s and 240s, and then we broke out of the ascending wedge on the 120s. But the trigger to actually get into the trade occurred before the breakout actually took place. So the trigger for the entry was actually down here at 1196.7 when we broke through this resistance on the 500 tick chart. You can see we had well-defined resistance because we had tagged 1196.7 two separate times and pivoted off of it. And then came up when we broke through, retested once, formed a bull flag, and just took off. Now, when you're looking at these bigger moves, we've talked about using longer time frames for triggering the trade and staying in, knowing when a bigger move is going to happen. But one of the ways you can also stay in is you use the Renko price charts, and we put the Momentum Trender Pro on there. So the way the Trender Pro works, green is bullish, blue is neutral, and red is bearish. So you can see here it triggered long. This is where the entry was on this resistance break back here, and we just took off and continued to climb all the way up and stayed either bullish or neutral all the way over until about 1209, which is about 13 points above where the entry triggered. So it ended up working out really, really well. Again, the Trender Pro is just one of the ways of staying in this and catching the bigger move. And it's one of the tools that we offer here that helps you stay in fast moving trends. So worked out really well. Great job to everybody in the trade room that took the trade there or in silver. They both worked out fairly well. So that's it for today, though. Don't forget, if you want to try out the trade rooms, you can check it out in the description below. There is a link for a $7 trial for an entire month. So check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.